Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this you and I, that how you can easily connect this Bluetooth earphones with your mobile phone. First of all, I'm requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now what we have to do, these are kind of very not too much costly. These are very pricelessly because it's kind of good product and it can last about 50 hours. It's claimed by company, I'm not claiming that. First of all, what we have to do, we have to wear these Bluetooth earphones for connecting with our mobile phone. We have to wear this on our neck, and after that put in the ear, and after that press this button. There is a switch on and off button. Press and hold, and after that few seconds this light will start blinking blue and red. Now what we have to do, we have to go to our mobile phone. 1 second, I'm gonna show you over here. This is our mobile phone, and go to this Bluetooth option over here, and after that you will see below over there you will find this available devices. You will find this UINB, something like this, and click on that, and after that it will ask you about that you really want to connect. Click on pair. After that it will share into your ear that connected, and now when we play music it will work on our earphones. You can listen it. Hope you understood that how you can easily connect these type of UNI Bluetooth earphones with your mobile phone. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.